Harley-Davidson. This is a 2008 Ultra. I'm going to do a bike walk around really quick and show you some of the additional features that have been added to this Ultra. For the passenger area, there is floorboards with the chrome cover, and there's also adjustable foot pegs as an added feature. There's also a set of grab rails for the passenger. The luggage rack has already been installed on the tour pack, and the short antennas. Obviously a performance feature. There's a set of Vance & Hine exhaust. For the rider, there's a set of highway pegs out on the engine guard. Coming around to the front of the motorcycle, smoke lenses on the turn signal. And then of course, to complement the Vance & Hine exhaust, this motorcycle has a high flow air cleaner, and the download has already been done. Again, this is a 2008 Ultra. Sticker price on this unit is $17,995.